Hello, I'm Dave Ridgway from near St. Louis, Missouri. I was born and raised in the area and grew up on the Mississippi River. I have been in the technology field for 38 years and currently manage a team of network, server, storage, and security engineers for an SMB. My wife of 37 years and I have 7 kids and 13 and a half grandkids. Something a little unique about me is that I ride a motorcycle. I commute on it about 500 miles a week in all weather except snow and ice. I put about 19,000 miles a year in the saddle. This year I hope to complete a single motorcycle ride of over 1,000 miles in under 24 hours. I'll be going from Missouri to Michigan via Kansas. The 9 blocks in the business model canvas help me understand what a business model is because they help me understand the logic of how a company will make money. These blocks also help me better understand the 4 main areas of a business: customers, offer, infrastructure, and financial viability, and show me how these all work together. I can use the 9 blocks in the canvas to develop my strategy for a new venture. The visual element of the canvas helps me see how my thoughts and ideas meet the areas of value proposition, infrastructure, customers, and finances. By laying my structure out on the canvas, I can get an idea of where my fallacies lie and then make adjustments as needed. I can even get to a final design state, take a photo with my cell phone, then throw all of my carefully placed thoughts and ideas on the floor and start over with the knowledge I've just gained to see if there's another way. I got a kick out of watching Veritas Medical go through different iterations as they work through their ideas and assumptions and move them around on the 9 blocks of the business model. One of the first things they discovered was that their assumption about who the customer was had a fallacy to it. The business model helped Veritas easily adjust their strategy once the right customer for their business was identified. Instead of working to meet the goals and needs of stakeholders, Veritas Medical worked to get a product into production. One way they did this was to maximize their efforts learning about customers and competition using existing peer-reviewed research. This helped them hammer out who their customers would be and discover the limitations of their competitors' products with minimal time and cost. After 6 months, a viable prototype was built. Veritas Medical made some assumptions on who their customers initially were, and in fact they needed to pivot twice until they had successfully identified the right customer. Another pivot was the discovery that existing products were not meeting the needs of the customer, causing Veritas Medical to search for a completely new method and product. Another pivot was in the value proposition. Users and payers of the product were first thought to only care about the cost, ease of use, and if the product worked, but subsequent questioning revealed that safety was important as well. Anyone wanting to look at getting their big idea off the ground can follow a similar process using the business model canvas and applying a minimal viable product template to their process. The canvas helps describe the rationale of how your new endeavor will create value and your business strategy. Thank you.